Hey there, today we are going to discuss about Angular ngIf versus hidden attribute. So exactly where we need to use ngIf and hidden, that we are going to see in examples. If you are using ngIf, Angular will command this control so that it will not be loaded inside the DOM, that is document object model, so that we will have somewhat faster loading experience inside the browser. If the hidden attribute is used, Angular will mark this control as hidden. That means this will render in the DOM, that means document object model. This way is bit slower because of relatively larger HTML data is loaded in the browser. As an example for ngIf, we are setting a button here in the stack blitz and a div here. So what is happening is a basic functionality is happening here. Like if I'm clicking on a button, a ngIf example method will get called, and inside that method we are going to change the value of show div accordingly. Here we are going to toggle it. So here I am setting a show div 1 as a boolean and initializing with false. Then when the ng example is getting called, this dot show div 1 is going to toggle. So this is the basic functionality. So if I click on this thing, so you will get, and again clicking on that thing, like you will get that will be get hidden. So one more thing what we are going to do is set text inside a div1 even if it is not visible, because in earlier versions of Angular, what we are going to do is what we are getting is on clicking on this thing, will completely stop the rendering of that particular div, whatever that whatever the div or whatever the control we are setting, that will be completely removed from the DOM automatically. So the basic question is, if I'm going to do some other thing like a toggle div1 text, so inside this thing I'm going to access this div1 text value. I'm setting or changing whatever the functionality it is. The thing is, if the ngIf is not hiding, it is removing the control, the entire control from the DOM. What will happen if I toggle the div text inside this thing, So I'm clicking on this thing, nothing is happening. So I'm just toggling. So we are seeing this div1 text is being assigned through this functionality. Div1 text is assigned through this functionality. So again, the toggling is happening here. So the thing is, earlier versions of Angular is removing the entire control which is assigned as ngIf from the DOM. But if you are trying to access like inside that whatever the control it is, if we are going to access some other functionality, or if we want to do any other functionality inside that particular control, we will end up with an error. Now with Angular 11, this has been rectified, so this will automatically set this thing. See, the div1 text is being set inside this. So the same can go with the hidden example. If I'm going to the hidden example, so what's happening? I'm going to set the hidden, and the value is show div, not of show div 2. As you see here, we are setting at show div 2 as a boolean, and I'm initializing with a false, so it is automatically, by default it is hidden. So again, what I'm going to do is, in a hidden example, I'm doing the same toggling thing here, and on clicking on that button, and clicking on that button, this will show and hide. The same functionality what we have seen for div 1 is going to apply in the div 2, but with the hidden attribute. So I'm here clicking on this thing and toggling, so the toggling is happening happily. The second thing is I am doing the other toggling inside the div 2, that is happening. So now it is not there, so I'm hiding and I am doing setting these things and I'm doing this thing. So the moral of the story is now Angular 11 is coming up with NG if and hidden with the same functionality. So the one thing happening behind the screen is this ng if is not loading the particular, I mean it is not rendering the particular control inside the DOM. So this will save much of time if you are using larger controls or much more nested controls inside the HTML. This will be helpful if we are not loading using ngIf. It will save the loading time. But basically, if you are doing a small application or a small page that doesn't do any other complex logic, we can go for hidden. Either way, it is good if it is small application, and hidden is very best fit for a bigger application. I hope this small example with the differences helped you a little. So keep supporting us by subscribing and liking our video. Thank you very much.